Hello guys, myself Rahul Raj welcoming back to you again in this my video. This is my new channel as I told you so. So please don't judge me by means of view of this video. Just judge me by means of the content of this video. Okay, and in this video I'll discuss the Infosys verbal ability questions of today's morning slot, that is 23rd of January 10 a.m. slots. All the few questions of verbal ability sections of Infosys system engineer exams. Okay, and later on I'll upload the more of that exam. So just let's continue guys. Basically, this is the questions from rearrangement section. Like you have to arrange this whole passage, or you can say para by means of things like it form a sequence of a sentence and it sounds like a sentence. Like firstly here written is that French woman. Okay, and then we have four option. We have to arrange these options in some way like that it forms a basic sequence, so whenever we will read it or write then the proper meaning of the sentence comes out from there. Okay, so just let's try how it looks like after arranging. Okay, तो गाइस जब भी इस तरीके के सवाल पूछा जाए तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको एक इस तरीके से सीक्वेंस बनाना है कि एक वो प्रॉपर साउंड आ पाए उस तरीके से। तो यहाँ पे है कि फ्रेंच वुमेन। ओके, तो इस तरीके के सवाल पे हमें इस पे नहीं जाकर इस ऑप्शंस पे क्लिक करना है, क्योंकि हमें सवाल को जल्दी भी बनाना है और उसके आगे भी सवाल को बनाना है। इसलिए हमें इस सवाल को जल्दी बनाने के लिए फर्स्टली ऑप्शंस के हेल्प से ही इसे सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा ताकि हम जल्दी कर पाए। ओके, तो ऑप्शन से चेक करेंगे और जिस ऑप्शंस के कोइंसिडेंस पे ये सवाल की जो साउंड है वो सीक्वेंस में आने लगी तो फिर वो ऑप्शन सही हो जाएगी एज पर द रूल एंड ट्रिक। ओके, तो फ्रेंच वुमेन। Now when if we try the first option like French woman, option number B, committed suicide, then R, who had come to Calcutta. Okay, so it doesn't make any kind of a sense. French woman committed suicide, it makes sense, but after that who had come to Calcutta, it doesn't make any kind of a sense. Okay, so let's move on the second options like French woman, and then option number Q, where she had put up, it also doesn't make any kind of a sense, तो इसे भी हम नहीं कंसिडर करेंगे। एंड देन थर्ड ऑप्शन फ्रेंच वुमेन, देन ऑप्शन नंबर आर, हु हैड कम टू कैलकाटा, इट मेक्स लिटिल बिट सेंस। सो इस ऑप्शन में हम आगे की ओर देखेंगे लाइक फ्रेंच वुमेन हु हैड कम टू कैलकाटा, इट मीन्स एक फ्रेंच वुमेन जो कि कैलकाटा आई थी। एंड देन ऑप्शन नंबर एस, and then option number P, committed suicide, like French woman who had came to Calcutta committed suicide, then it I think that it is making kind of a sense like एक फ्रेंच वुमेन जो कोलकाता आई थी उसने सुसाइड अटेम्प्ट कर लिया। एंड देन ऑप्शन नंबर एस, बाय जंपिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट फ्लोर ऑफ बालकनी ऑफ द होटल, कहाँ से जंपिंग ऑफ द फर्स्ट फ्लोर ऑफ द बालकनी, मतलब बालकनी के फर्स्ट फ्लोर से जंप करके। एंड देन क्यू, वेयर सी हैड पुट अप, then this option is correct, I think so, because it makes sense like French woman who had come to Calcutta committed suicide by jumping from the first floor of the hotel where she had put up, then no doubt this option is making sense। तो जब हमें मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि ये ऑप्शन सेंस बना रहा है तो हमें ये ऑप्शंस को देखने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है, क्योंकि ऐसे करने से हमारा टाइम किल होगा, क्योंकि हमें ये सवाल को जल्दी भी करना है और अपने आप को वो 100% एक्यूरेसी के साथ भी करना है। तो इसका ऑप्शन नंबर ये होगा। और इस तरीके के सवाल अभी काफ़ी पूछी जा रही है, जहाँ पे आपको एक क्वेश्चन दी जाएगी एंड देन यू हैव टू अरेंज द ऑल सेंटेंस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द ऑप्शंस। तो ये सवाल में हम इस पे ना देखकर इस डायरेक्ट ऑप्शंस पे देखकर सवाल को लगाएंगे, इससे हम अपना टाइम को बचत कर सकते हैं सवाल बनाने में। Question number 3 is basically a from direct to indirect speech questions. Okay, so this question is from one of the case of direct to indirect speech question that is asked on Infosys morning slot questions of today. Like he said to his father, please increase my pocket money. So guys, this is the one of the rule of डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच की जब भी यहाँ पर प्लीज़ या फिर कोई भी इस तरीके की वर्ड लिखी हो जहाँ पे आपको ऐसा काइंड ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट झलक रहा हो या फिर अपलॉड झलक रहा हो या फिर ऑर्डर झलक रहा हो, तो वो जो होती है वो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ हिज और हर इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज होती है। क्योंकि इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ही सेड टू हिज फादर प्लीज़ इंक्रीज माई पॉकेट मनी, मतलब वो अपने पिता से कहा कि कृपया मेरा पॉकेट मनी को इंक्रीज कर दो। तो वो क्या किया, वो एक काइंड ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट किया। तो अब यहाँ पे ऑप्शन को देखेंगे, ही टोल्ड हिज फादर प्लीज़ इंक्रीज माई द पॉकेट मनी, ये नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि वो रिक्वेस्टिंग वाला वाइब्स इस टोन से नहीं आ रहा है। देन ही प्लीडेड हिज फादर टू इंक्रीज माई पॉकेट मनी, ये भी नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि यहाँ भी वो रिक्वेस्टिंग टोन नहीं आ रहा है। बट ये ऑप्शंस को देखते हैं, ही रिक्वेस्टेड हिज फादर टू इंक्रीज हिज पॉकेट मनी। तो जिस तरीके से मैंने बोला प्लीज़ मतलब क्या होता है, प्लीज़ इज ए काइंड ऑफ ए रिक्वेस्टिंग टोन। तो इस क्वेश्चन का जो ऑप्शन नंबर 3 होगा आंसर, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वो प्लीज़ जो है वो इनडायरेक्ट टोन में रिक्वेस्ट में चेंज हो गया एज पर द रूल ऑफ डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। लाइक प्लीज़ इट मीन्स इट चेंजेस अपॉन रिक्वेस्टिंग थिंग्स, क्योंकि आप किसी से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, उसे कृपया करके वो बात कर रहे हैं। और जब हमें ऑप्शन नंबर 3 पे अपना आंसर मिले तो हमें 4 नंबर को देखना ही नहीं है, क्योंकि हमें अपना टाइम किल नहीं करना है और आगे की ओर जाना है। और 3 कुछ इस तरीके से कि व्हेन हर स्कूल वर्क गॉट टू मच पैम हैड ए टेंडेंसी टू स्पेस विच ऑलवेज पुट हर फर्दर बिहाइंड। तो ये पहले सवाल को समझते कि क्या कहना चाह रहा है। मतलब कि जब भी स्कूल वर्क बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है तो पैम का एक टेंडेंसी होता है कुछ चीज़ करने का जो कि ये स्पेस पे फिलअप होगा, जो कि उसे हमेशा बिहाइंड मतलब पीछे की ओर धकेल देता है। ठीक है, तो सिंपल सी इस जो 4 ऑप्शंस है, 5 ऑप्शंस, इसमें से हमें एक वर्ड इस पे जो सूटेबल होगी ये हमें फिलअप करना था। तो क्या होगा कि हमें तो पहले ये पूरे लाइन का सेंस समझना है कि वो सेंस किस तरीके से आ रही है। लाइक स्कूल वर्क जब बढ़ जाता है तो पैम का कुछ टेंडेंसी होता है जो स्पेस में फिलअप होगा, जो उसे पीछे की ओर धकेल देता है। ठीक है, इस सवाल से टोन ये निकल कर आ रहा है, मीन टोन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन is something like that. So just let us see ki how it looks like when we feel these words from on this vacant. Okay, so if we feel dedicate here, so dedicate doesn't make any kind of a sense. Okay, because the tone of this question is kind of a negative, and dedicate is sometimes time of a positive tone. Okay, then regenerate is also kind of a positive tone word. It means the word regenerate basically means that you have to work on yourself to look younger or to be a best version of yourself. And the ponder is also kind of a positive word, and the excel is also kind of a positive word. It means like you have to excel in your academics, you have to excel. But the word here proxenate basically means in Hindi like मतलब you have टालना. Okay, so when we feel proxenate here, then it makes kind of a sense. Like read again by means of this video. When her schoolwork got too much, Pam had a tendency to proxenate which always put her further behind. का मतलब ये हुआ कि जब भी स्कूल वर्क ज़्यादा होता है तो पैम क्या करता है, उसको टाल देता है, जिसके खातिर वो पीछे की ओर वो चला जाता है। तो दिस द क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस टोन इज अ काइंड ऑफ ए नेगेटिव, एंड द वर्ड ऑफ दिस proxenate also sounds negative, so these words suitably fits here. So this word is a correct answer of this questions. And then this question again from Philip, the blanks question. Like this kind of a question basically ask Infosys, TCS, Wipro, all the company ask like you have to fill the space by means of these options which suitably fits over there. Here you have to be good in your prepositions, your articles, and your subject verb agreement things, just a basic savals. Okay, like just read the questions. Like the first question, read the question and understand what the question mean to say, and then try to engage the words from the MCQs which suitably fits here. That's the basic algorithm from which this type of a questions fits. Okay, like his mother brought him with great difficulty, मतलब उसकी माँ ने उसे बहुत डिफिकल्टी से उसे बड़ा किया है या फिर लेकर आया है। तो अब लेट अस सी कि which word sounds good here. Like first if we think about, like his mother brought him about with great difficulty. The brought is a kind of a preposition which doesn't make any sense. Like in is also a preposition, and his mother brought him up with a great difficulty. Frankly speaking, this makes a kind of a sense, and also sounds like yeah, this word might be correct, and no doubt this word is correct. Like his mother brought him up with great difficulty. Whenever any child becomes grown up, then he is a kind of a changing his behavior and changing his age, like from early stage to adolescence age, from adulthood age, and then move on. So this words fits here like up is the correct answer. And when we got the correct answer, then we don't have to put our time on a option number D, because it kills our time. So just follow this algorithm, that whenever you got the correct answer, then don't put time on option on next option. So if you follow this kind of a habit, then at the time of exam, then you have to, and you will able to kind of save your time. This question is also from a fill in the blanks questions, like with image, space, nature and passion for art, she would make an excellent tour guide for the museum. So guys, firstly here few kind of words which might be confusing or difficult. So let us firstly understand what the meaning of this word, like museum. Then museum is a place where ancient times things would be kept place. Okay, and I think you guys are know very well like what is a museum. And simi is a noun. Okay, so with simi is nature, and nature and passion, nature and passion is her behavior. Okay, an excellent टूर गाइड, मतलब ये सवाल ये कहना चाह रहा है कि सिमी का जो भी नेचर एंड पैसन है आर्ट के लिए, वो उसको एक्सीलेंट टूर गाइड बना सकता है म्यूजियम के लिए. ओके, तो जस्ट let us see कि which word suits here best. Okay, तो volatile. तो volatile is a word which basically means that कि changing, मतलब volatile is a word which basically mean कि you're changing things. Okay, and then angry can also be not feel here, like angry is a kind of if anyone having angry behavior, then he or she can't be a kind of a good nature according to people consideration. Okay, then we have only two options, and then we have to click on the options on the basis of a two things. Okay, so for this type of a question, you have to be good in a kind of a your vocabulary skills. Okay, then congenial is a word which shows your possessive, your kind of a behavior which show the respect for people, which show the gratefulness of a behavior. So congenial is a word which perfectly suits here. So okay, so I think I know it might be confusing and difficult for you, but you have to be good in vocabulary skill for doing these kinds of a good kind of a question. So the option number B perfectly suits here. And this question is also from a fill in the blanks question. These kind of a question, basically people, and mostly questions are based on this kind of a question and closed test question. Okay, so just let us see what will be the answer of these questions. Like the space townspeople celebrated the soldier's return to his home by adorning trees with yellow ribbons and balloons. Okay, तो द टोन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज समथिंग लाइक कि जो टाउन्स पीपल है वो सेलिब्रेटेड, मतलब वो खुश है. किस लिए खुश है? सोल्जर का रिटर्न, मतलब वो एक सोल्जर है जो वापस आ रहा है अपने घर. तो वो जो टाउन्स पीपल है वो खुश है, जिसके खातिर वो ट्रीज पे येलो रिबन्स बांध रहे हैं और बलून्स बांध रहे हैं. तो द इंटायर टोन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज अ पॉजिटिव एंड काइंड ऑफ ए सेलिब्रेशन. देन यू हैव टू फील द words here which means kind of a positive, or which word describe the feeling of joy, feeling of expressing gratefulness. Okay, so let us think let us now let us know ki what's the meaning of these four words. Okay, then cunning is basically a word which shows a person or animal which is more clever in nature, because in earlier stage of our childhood we basically learn in our books like cunning fox is basically means a clever fox. Okay, so cunning here doesn't make sense. Then pitiless is a word which means that a person who doesn't show their affection when anyone suffers from anything. Okay, so these words also make any kind of a sense here, because it's a kind of a suffering, and a suffering is a kind of a negative tone word. Okay, and then jubilant is a synonyms of a word happy. Okay, so jubilant means extremely happy. When you search the meaning of a jubilant in your dictionary, then you got to know that jubilant mean extremely happy. Then just thing, the Jubilean townspeople celebrated the soldiers' return to his home by adorning trees with yellow ribbons and balloons. Okay, so these words perfectly suits here because the word jubilant means happiness, and the tone, entire tone of this para is happy. So this is the correct answer of this question. Okay, and it doesn't and you don't think that ki whenever this type of a questions comes, then you have to start your options thinking from this way. Okay, if you don't know the meaning of a word somber, just let it be. Okay, just start from the last, start from the middle, and just fill up the space with which match the tones of this passage. Okay, and don't put so much stress on any kind of a word we don't, that like you don't know the meaning of this, but and you, yeah, okay, I don't know the meaning. Not, don't think like that. Okay, because no one is so perfect and no one can't remember all the vocabulary words. Okay, so this is a kind of a question Infosys asked, and upcoming exams also this kind of a question must can be repetitive in nature, or the questions will be based on this kind of a thing. Okay, is basically based on a closed test. Closed test is basically a test where you have to give a paragraph. Okay, and in the whole paragraph there is a kind of a fill up, like as you can see, first, second, third, fourth, and you have to fill the words from given MCQ which makes the sense of entire passage. Okay, and this entire thing is known as a kind of a closed test. So let us see key what if this kind of if these words make sense in here or not. Okay, so like use of plastic has become part of. Okay, so firstly the entire tone of a passage is negative, like the entire, like the vibes that is coming from the passage is like the plastic and their kind of a pollution, and their kind of a garbage waste which is somehow deteriorating the our environment or our culture. Okay, so just let us read ki what passage need to say, means to say, like use of plastic has become part of a, and then space. तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है कि ऐसा नहीं कि आप यहाँ तक पढ़े एंड देन यू आप ऑप्शन नंबर 1 के लिए इन पैरा से चूज करने लगे आंसर. यू हैव टू रीड द paragraph at least up to the question, up to the full stop, so you will get an entire feel of a passage or a line, that what this line says. Like use of plastic has become part of a space in which those who consume and litter are not supposed to be responsible for, and then a full stop. At least you need to read this para till yet. Like plastic जो है become part of what, become part of creativity तो नहीं हो सकता है, because it doesn't make any sense. become part of a traditions ये भी नहीं हो सकता है, become, because it doesn't make sense, because plastic is here is a single word and traditions is a kind of a plural word, and it also related to ethics. Okay, and become a part of a cultural, like just read by putting this word cultural, like use of plastic has become a part of a cultural in which it doesn't make any kind of a sense. And then read the option number D, use of plastic has become a part of a culture. Just think the vibe of this passage, like this culture is also a singular thing, and this plastic is also a singular thing. Just make it here and feel it again. Use of plastic has become part of a culture. Yeah, this might be the correct answer. Okay, and for the sake of your convenience, let's suppose we are checking on these options, like use of plastic has become a part of a culture. Okay, the cultured is a past tense and this passage is a kind of a present tense, तो it ये हो भी नहीं सकता. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज कल्चर. क्यों? क्योंकि ये यहाँ पे परफेक्टली सूट है. use of plastic has become a part of a culture in which those who consume and litter is a kind of a word which means that the plastic which you throw here and there, litter over there, all everywhere, kind of a garbage, meant to say like that, are not supposed to be responsible for a space cleaning after themselves or to bother about what will happen to the waste they are producing. So we have to read up to here because here is a full stop at least. Okay, so responsible for, let us suppose ki here there is a kind of a trick that or. Okay, so when you read the grammar then you also know that कि neither के साथ nor आता है और either के साथ or आता है. Okay, तो बट अल्सो के साथ नो आता है। ओके, तो यहाँ पे नाइदर है और यहाँ पे बट अल्सो एवरीथिंग है, बट यहाँ पे ऑप्शन में और है, तो पक्का है कि यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नंबर 2 पे आइदर ही आएगा, क्योंकि ये पैसेज में ऑलरेडी और दे रखा है। तो फॉर दिस यू हैव टू रीड एटलीस्ट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ए ग्रामर टू। Okay, so this kind of a question is very easy, but you have to grasp the kind of a grammar skill, so you can solve this question in the less than 1 minute or 50 or 40 seconds. Okay, then option number 2 also become completed, like responsible for either cleaning or themselves or to bother about what will happen to the waste they are producing. Then option number 3, the space of the this kind of lifestyle are reflected in the festering garbage in the overspilling landfill site with the height of Gazipur landfill in Delhi touching 65 meter. The vibes of these lines is something like कि जो भी हम लोग वेस्ट को प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है वो रिफ्लेक्ट करता है गार्बेज में, और वो क्या है कि लैंडफिल की साइड को फील कर रहा है, और गाजीपुर का जो लैंडफिल का हाइट है दिल्ली में वो एटलीस्ट 65 मीटर को टच कर गया है। ठीक है, तो क्या द लोकल ऑफ दिस काइंड, ये डजेंट मेक एनी सेंस, द इनएफिशिएंसी ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑल्सो डजेंट मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ सेंस, द सेंट्रल ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑल्सो डजेंट मेक एनी सेंस, द फैक्सीसाइड एंड इनार्ट्स, in we have to select any words in the between of these two, because these three are not making any sense, and I think these two are kind of a correct answer can be for this question. Okay, so the correct word for this is the innards. Innards is a kind of a internal. Okay, the innards of this kind of a lifestyle is perfectly suits here. Okay, just read option number 4. Such space dumps are emerging as a serious threat to life, with leachates in the mixed and untreated waste contaminating water and the carcinogenic pollution. Okay, तो such space, तो such wasteful and hogwash. Hogwash तो हो ही नहीं सकता है, because the word hogwash means nonsense in the dictionary and as by means of a vocabulary. So the word hogwash doesn't make any little bit of a sense here. Okay, the wasting dumps या wasting हो भी सकता है, the rubbish dump ये भी नहीं हो सकता, the word rubbish is extremely not related to any kind of these words. Okay, and the wasteful dumps, the wasteful is a kind of a thing which is related to, you know, like the adjective things, so it also makes any sense. So and the last word is a garbage. What does garbage basically means? Garbage basically means ki if this is a container and we are putting lots of wasted here, and then the entire this bag is known as the bag of a garbage or the bag of dust or whatever. ठीक है, then the word garbage perfectly suit here, because the garbage dump are emerging as a serious threat of life. What dump? Garbage dump जो है कि ये serious threat of life कि हमारे लिए बन रहा है। तो ये यहाँ पे क्या है कि फर्स्टली वी हैव टू सी कि which 2 or 3 words are confusing and which are perfectly suitable here, and then we have to click the words on the basis of that 2 and 3 words. So here the word garbage is the correct answer. So this is the questions which asked in today's 10 a.m. morning shift of 23rd exams of Infosys. So guys, this is my extremely request from you that if you think this video is might helpful for you, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel and please notification bell को भी on कर देना, ताकि in after few times whenever I'll upload videos like technical video, pseudo skills video, aptitude, verbal ability video, then you'll go get a notification, and including that you also get videos on regarding these topics as you can see. And please if you want, then you can follow me on Instagram and you can ping any whatever your doubt will be, and I'll try my level best to solve your question. Thank you, thanks a lot, and all the best to all of you guys who are going to give exams in upcoming session. So